What's up guys, it's Otsu, and today I got some more Beyblades in the mail. So we got B-05 and B-07. So these are booster sets, or booster Beyblades. So they don't come with a launcher. They're just reshuffles of parts, like swap parts between different Beyblades that are out right now, and recolorings. So the first one is Spriggan Heavy Defense, and I think the normal Spriggan is green. So this one's kind of blue. Or no, I think Spriggan is red. So this one's got a blue color and green tip. And this one is Kerbeus Wing Fusion. So this one is green, I believe. And this is a recolor red. So I'll just do a quick unboxing. So here's the back, and I already cut off the tape. So here we go, Spriggan. Oh, just had a... Anyway, so here's the zoom in of Spriggan. It's a pretty interesting design, so not symmetrical at all. And then here's the teeth on it. Okay, so and the metal wheel is heavy, so it definitely looks like a Libra, like was it the original Libra, or I forget what it was called, but anyway, it kind of has that type of markings on it, and it says H for heavy. And then the tip is defense. So we got a shield here. And then the tip. So it has somewhat of a ball shape to it. And then it's got these little 4 notches. And then also it's got this little ring here. Okay, so that's Spriggan Heavy Defense. Now we'll check out Kerbeus Wing Fusion. So again, I've already cut the tape. So here's Kerbeus. So more of a round symmetrical shape, but with a lot of teeth on it. So you can kind of see Kerbeus, like, so for those that know, like Cerberus, the mythology, the 3-headed dog. So you can kind of see 3 eyes here, 3 heads. And then here's the teeth on this one. Kerbus, and the metal wheel. So this is wing. So there's W for wing. So this normally comes with the Valkyrie Beyblade, and you see some spaces in there. So I guess this is supposed to be more of a lightweight metal wheel. And then the driver, the tip is Fusion. So this one has like a tiny little notch on the top. So whenever it's in the center, it'll have more of a stamina type. But then if it gets knocked around the edges, it'll go onto the flat side. And there's F for Fusion. So yeah, so like a hybrid tip. Okay, so I'll do a quick little battle video. So I'll be right back. Okay, so we'll do a quick little battle, I guess like first to 3. So we got Kerbeus Wing Fusion versus Spriggan Heavy Defense. I'll be using the string launcher. So we go. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. And it looks like Spriggan got that one. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, we got a last minute burst by Kerbeus. Alright, so it's a 1-1 now. Alright, round 3. 3, 2, 1. Alright, and Spriggan wins by outspinning. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.